So today what I want to talk about is if you want to make your action film, sometimes you just got to work with what you have to get it done. And the clip you just saw is from our action series, The Chronicles of Jane, which is out now on our IG. Okay, so I've already made a short video about this on my IG, and so I decided just to cut to that video because it already perfectly illustrates what I want to cover today. And when it does cut, you might go, wait, is that the same person? It is. It's just that there was a reflection in my glasses, so I had to take them off. So today we're going to be talking about what happens when you want to shoot an action scene, but you only got 3 people and no stuntmen or women. Well, you the director, sometimes you just got to be the stuntman. So basically what happened was we had a location open up to us, but we only had 2 days to use it, but we could use it for free. So I thought to myself, I'm not gonna pass this opportunity up. So instead of just saying, oh man, too bad, I was like, you know what? Put me in the mask, throw me around, let's get it done. So sometimes if you wanna get your film done, just know that it takes kind of a crazy effort sometimes, but you'll always be proud of the result because you knew you put everything you could into it. Okay, so the only extra point that I wanted to add to this is that if you can, absolutely work with a stunt coordinator. But if you do not have the resources to do that, there are stunts that you can perform yourself, because remember, you as the director are also a resource for your action film. So I feel that if you can and you can do a small fall or you can, do a small flip, then absolutely, if that's what your film needs. But I'm also not saying go and do a high fall off a 3-story building into a swimming pool. Or I'm not saying to, backflip from one moving car to another moving car. Please be safe, keep your actors safe. I'm just simply saying that if you want to make an action movie and you want to do a little action scene, but you don't have the people around you to do it, sometimes you can just do it yourself. And that way you can get a product, and then you can use that product to attract a bigger budget or to attract other actors or stunt performers. Because at the end of the day, making a film is hard work, and making an action film is even harder. And so if you want to get it done and have something to show, you might just need to do it yourself.